Here is a Subaru Impreza. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Now that's where the bulbs are. The way to get to it, you have to first open up the hatch. Now over there you will see two bolts which are holding the light in place. One over there and second one over there. We have to get them off. To get them off you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. One that looks like that, or a 10mm socket ratchet combination. I would suggest using the socket ratchet combination because it does a better job at holding on to the bolt and taking it off, and that way you don't end up stripping it accidentally because the bolt's probably been in there for years, it's probably stuck on, so this does a better job. Get those bolts off and keep them somewhere safe. You don't want to lose them because that's all that keeps the light in place. So first just rock the light like side to side, loosen that a little bit, and now just push it from the back right there. It's going to take a few seconds and it's going to pop off like that, and that's totally okay. Don't be afraid. That's normal. It's going to pop off, and I'll show you what holds the light in place. There are two holes where the bolts go. Those two pins, they go in there, and that's a slot for the white tab over there, and that's it. That's how the light is held in place. You can take the electrical connector off if you like and just work on the light in peace, or just leave it on the way it is, like just leave it hanging. That's totally fine as well. Now when you're handling bulb, it's a good idea to have gloves on, or at least a towel or something, so you don't touch the bulb surface, the glass surface, with your bare hands, because that's not good for the bulbs. To get this bulb holder out, just grab it and twist it left a little bit, just a little bit like that, and now it's loose. Just pull it out, and there it is. To get the bulb off, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come right out. That's the bulb right there. Let's take a closer look at it. It's a single filament bulb. The bulb type number is 921. Again, 921, that's the bulb number. Get the new bulb, align it, and simply push it in, and now you're done. To put the bulb holder back in, you see that slot over there in the light, that's slightly bigger. You gotta align it with the slightly bigger tab, the one I'm pointing at. Just align it and drop it in. When you do that, it just sort of drops in, sits flush. If not, then you'll just sort of be wiggling around for a few seconds trying to figure it out. But yeah, once it's sitting in flush like this, all you have to do is just grab it, twist it right, and lock, and you're done. When you're putting the light back in, the key to doing this right is to make sure that the light is aligned first. Align it, make sure that front end over there, it's not sticking out from the body. Then you have to make sure that those two holes are all aligned over there. Yeah, when everything looks aligned, then just give it one push and push it in. And now the alignment tabs are popped in. Now just get those bolts, put them on, tighten them up, and then take a look at the light again. See, everything is looking flush, nothing sticking out. That's the way your light should look like as well once you're done. And that's pretty much it. Hope you found it useful.